Hello guys, Ganesh here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel .dwg Design with Ganesh. In this video, I will design this 3D component in Catia software. So without wasting time, let's start it. So switch to software. How to design a part? Click on the start, mechanical design, part design. Click on give its name. Click on OK. Now choose the. I want to start from this base. So let's click from the position sketch. Select this top line. Align the axis. Click on OK. Now make a one rough profile. So I'm making a rough profile like this, which is representing the outer lines of this one. Now take two construction lines. Make sure these two constructions are aligned with the axes. Right. Now from here to here, which is 50, enter, and from here to here also 50. From here to here it is 100, and angles which is 135, enter. And this angle is about 30. Okay, click on the corner, make a window selection like this, specify the corner, that means fillet radius as 15, click on it. Now see, the fillets are created. Now specify the distance between these two as 45. Still it is not constrained. Let's see about in what way it is not constrained. So what here this dimension is missing, so 42. Select this center point and this line, make sure it is 42, enter. Now let's make a 3 circles. One is here. Make sure it is not making any relations or any constraints. Now use the dimension for the circle, which is 15 there. 15, enter. Double click on the dimension constraint to keep it active. Select the circle, drag the dimension, double click, 15, enter. Exit and pad it up to 12. Right. So I want to see here one through hole is there, that is 30 diameter. So that is also we can include in this base. So for that I need to edit this sketch. So here you can say the pad for this sketch for this pad is this one. Double click on that sketch, you can edit it. So make a circle here of dia 30. Double click 30, enter. Exit. Now our hole is formed. Now the next thing is this extrusion. So let's make that. Click on the position sketch, select this plane, click on OK. Now let's make it 2 circles. No, take only one circle. So which has a diameter of 60, enter, and take this edge also. Exit. Sorry. Exit. Pad it up to 80 minus 2, which is 68. 68, enter. Right. Now click on the position sketch, select this plane, click on OK. See here there is a extra hole, that is 40 up to depth of 60. Select a circle, of diameter of 40, nail it to 40 and pocket it up to 16. Pocket up to 16, and that's it. Now let's this base. So for that what I'm doing is, so here you can see the section is given here, so which is at a 45. Let's make a plane first. For the plane creation tab, select this front right plane, and then you need to make sure it is an offset from the plane, and at a distance of 45 you need to create a plane. For the position sketch, select this plane, click on OK. Now let's make a profile of this one. So what you need, select the profile, right, take a one line like this, make sure this line is coinciding with this one. Now the radius of this circle, so what is that? Which is 15 only. Then click 15, enter. So which is acts as a, in the slot this dimension acts as a radius of this circle. Now height is about 42. Become the dimension constraint, select this bottom line and this central point and specify dimension as 42, enter. Now click on the trim option, trim the lines around this entire sketch, right? The dimensions are lost, you can give it again. Maybe here coincidence is gone. Select this line, make sure it is symmetry about this one. What way it is not constrained? See, these are not vertical lines. Make sure these are vertical. That's it. Click on exit and pad it and choose the option up to next. You want preview, you can open. Now just hide these planes. I don't need this hide place anymore. So here you can see these edges are sharp edges, but in the drawing these are not sharps, these are smooth curves. So for that the radius is given, consider it as a 2. Let's make the, where you can see the fillet option, edge fillet. See, 4, you can't preview. So you need the fillet on this edge also, this edge also. You can't preview, you can OK. That's it. You need one more hole here, which is a diameter of 16. On position sketch, select this, click on OK. Make a circle of 16 dia. Make sure this circle and this circle are concentricity with each other, and the diameter for this circle is 16. Enter. Oops. Double click 16, enter, exit, and pocket it up to next. It is removing the material up to here. Click on OK. See, that's all. That's for this video, guys. If you want contents like this, please do subscribe to our channel.